Special candidate Dennis Kucinich said he'd seen one, so has Jimmy Carter. So did a pilot who traveled from Iran to Washington so he could speak out today about his encounter with the UFO. Now, unidentified flying object means just that, unidentified. It says nothing about what or from where. But for years now, polling has shown that a majority of Americans believe the government, our government, simply isn't telling all it knows about those lights in the sky, whatever they are. Well, tonight, CNN's Gary Tuckman about.
Go about my dome window, million of a babu. Yeah, I'm a naked vision low. Bongo Savaji got cello. Yeah, Nagaladu no. Jensen Zavachele. Near drawing, I'm a gong and I may. I drive by down so lonely. My leg and now when I need it. You long a day out there. Save young down at the chain. Go, you dance so my man. You're like no can't man. I'm your bed. Misery like my own. Young jiggy jam ya lue ma. A chain we go on in the wild. Go up to Jack Dubai. Min come up on it line. Can go flip your name to jam. Ingoni yaranga jamba. Nazari don't be me like. Diabo Save young down at the chain. Go, you down so my man. You're right, no can't man. I'm your bed. Me treat like God on plan. Sing no more of money. I'll go right to where they are there. Just so they are to tell you, man. We don't know somebody. Sing no more living Mother can now let I need it. You long after your trip.